Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and you might be noticed whenever keep your phone while it's going to be screen very fastly timeout, which is really very annoying, and you might be want to extend your screen timeout. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say display. After click over display, you need to scroll down and then you will find there something say screen timeout. From here you can easily choose 30 seconds to 10 minutes. So if I keep my phone while, for example, I'm going to choose here to 5 minutes. So from now, if I keep my phone while, its screen not going to be off until 5 minutes. So in this simple way, you can easily change your screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.